Okay. Why? Well, it's boarding time, so. What? Oh. Meanwhile, I can see some A350s, A330s, and 777s. And this good old 737. Lion Air. Okay. I mean, we're still waiting to board the aircraft, which is at the time an A330-300, but not the Neo. Not the Neo version. It's the CO version. So. Yeah, you guys all know that there's an A330 Neo. So we're just waiting to board the aircraft and go to the gate bridge. I think the AC-30 will have a map for us because I like the map. I forgot to explore it for my last flight. So on the other side there's a 747. There's an Air Act Cargo Boeing 747-400. I rarely see those big planes. Okay, I guess we made it here.
Alam mo, you should stop that kasi.
I guess we made it. Let's now go to the gate bridge. And welcome our A330-300. I can't wait to board the plane. Yeah, I agree, it's so cool. Because the gate bridge is kind of wide. Yes, you heard me right, it's actually wide. Hello, plane. Those are our seats. I want to stay on at 42 this time. This is a shorter airplane, so. Oh, we got Rolls-Royce engines as well.
Wait.
Yeah, we got Rolls-Royce engines on this A330. Yup, I did. And these doors. I have to remove something. Of course, we can look at this engine. This beautiful A330 moving its rudder. We're kind of at the front, are we?
I think we're on the right side.
Okay, so we'll be the others, like I or H and I, like that. And as you can see, we're boarding on the second door of this A330. Yes, we're in. Look at business class. Ooh, business class looks so cool. Okay, now go to. Whoa, economy looks nice. Made it.
There you go.
Whoa, we got pretty wide seats.
Is that 44?
Yep, this is 42.
Do we go here?
No, you go behind us. Got an A330-300. The pouch is so big.
Yeah. Hold.
The table is really big. It's way bigger than the 777. I can't put it in. Oh, stop. Do this.
You really should stop that
Got
first.
in-flight entertainment. And this is our view. Kind of small. Yes, kind of small. Okay, let's start with the comfort test. Oh, a bit harder. Oh, pretty soft, but not so soft. And this is tighter than the 777. So I guess we made it to our A330-300. And I'll see you in another video.